a few quick tips from the Quick Fixer.
Here's a little helper for y'all out there from Quick Fixer out there in TV land. For one. Okay. Gotta have that. When you put the spark plug in, use the spark plug socket. Okay? When you're taking the spark plug out, when you're putting it in, use this. Okay? No grommet. Why? Because you put the spark plug socket in there, it gets stuck on there, you can't pull it back out. Okay, so that's tip number 2 for you real fast. So like I said, when you're taking the spark plug out, use this. But when you're putting it in, use that. No grommet. Nothing to hold on to, so you can pull this right back out. Real easy. Another tip number 3, and I'm gonna leave it at this. Use 2 of these. Don't use one big one because of this. So when you go down, you got that. You need to take that out. Boom, boom, boom. You done tightened it. You torqued it. 30 foot-pounds. Okay. After all that good stuff, when it's time to take it out, so you don't have interference up here. Okay. You can just take it apart. There you go. Quick fix from Quick Fixer.
For the mounting bolts, a deep well socket and a long handled flex ratchet will be like a magic wand for you. Voila!